To survive in this world, you must understand money. And today, you learn the 50-30-20 rule. This ancient budgeting code splits your money like this. 50% to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% to wants, fun, streaming, bananas. 20% to saving or debt payoff.
But what if I don't make enough?
Then we adjust. We start small. Even $5 saved is a banana not wasted. Remember to track your budget. Dodging credit card traps. Celebrating debt payoffs. The jungle's recruiting. No more guessing. No more chaos. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.